Let's make this beautiful toasted bread at home. So yummy, soft and fluffy. Welcome back everybody. So in today's video we are going to make toast bread, and in our bowl we start with 1 cup of water, then we add 1 tablespoon of yeast, and then we add 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can add as much as you want your bread to be sweet. So guys, as we are waiting for our yeast to rise, we are going to prepare our dry ingredients, and this is our patent flour, which is only just 1 kilogram, because this packet is just contains 1 kilogram. And we make sure you have to seize your flour always, because it's so important. Then we go on, we add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 1 cup of sugar. It's optional. If you don't want your bread to be sweet, then don't add, but for me I like my bread sweet. Mix everything together and then add 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of water, warm water. Then you add 2 eggs still warm. Then add vanilla essence and we mix everything together. Go ahead and use your hands because this dough needs a lot of power. Add yeast. Our yeast was already active. Then we start mixing with our hands. Yes, on top of that, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Yes, it's also important. And when you add butter in the dough, it always gets softer, so you have to put your dough in a table which is very clean, and you need this until your dough becomes elastic. And I want to let you know it's not easy if you're not using machine. Yes, go ahead and you apply some oil to prevent dry and cover this for just 30 to 40 minutes and wait it for rise. After that, prepare your egg yolk for spreading on your bread. Add some little milk, it's optional. Then after 45 minutes, you see our dough, it was already raised, and here you can make as much as you can make a lot of bread from this dough. Just remember it was just 1 kilogram. Yeah, it's just 1 kilogram. Lol, for me I wanted to make this toast bread. I am no longer buying toast bread, guys. I'm making it my bread at home. So go ahead and spread butter and then put it in the pan and cover, and you wait for some 15 minutes to raise again. Here you can make other shapes of your bread as you wish. Add on top, add something like oil or butter. For me I spreaded butter, as you can see. Make good balls for your bread or donuts or anything that you want to do, because remember this is just 1 kilogram, so it's okay. Whatever you want to do, you can do it here. For me, I decided my remaining dough to do some donuts. And here I was like, no, let me make another, I wanted to make another kind of bread, so I put this one in pan and I left some for the donuts. And for the donuts, as you see, I just put my holes. You don't need to be perfect to make something sweet, something nice in your house, for your children, for your family. Yes, I made some donuts as well. After 15 minutes, I checked on my bread. It was already the way how I wanted, raised already. So I spreaded butter, and the other one I spreaded egg yolk, as you can see, guys. Then it's oven time. Ta-da! In just 40 minutes, you already have a nice looking bread like this, well baked, yummy, fluffy, and soft. So guys, don't forget to subscribe on this channel. If you're new here, you're most welcome. Please subscribe, like, and share this video to your friend who wants homemade breads, very soft and sweet. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Bye.